Morning friends, I am Himanshu Raut here to tell you about our first chapter, biology. In this chapter, the most important topic is life process. So shortly I would like to define you what is life process. Life process are the basic functions performed by every individual living organism to survive on this earth. It has to be performed uninterruptedly both in active and also in inactive stage of living organism. Some examples of life process are nutrition, excretion, transportation, etc. So in shortly, firstly I would like to define you what is nutrition. Nutrition is the process of getting food materials which can be used for energy, repair and consumption of energy levels in human bodies. Mainly there are two types of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, organisms get their own food by using simple materials available in their surroundings. While heterotrophic nutrition means organisms which are dependent on the others or obtain their food by obtaining all organic compounds. Next, I would like to define you what is the other main two topics of this chapter are human digestive system and human respiratory system. So as you all know that digestion is the process of chewing of food and cut the food into smaller components to make it easy for the stomach to make it digestible. Now there are some parts of the human digestive system. Some of them I would like to define you here. So the first most important part of the human digestion process is mouth. Food starts its journey from mouth or the oral cavity, which helps in chewing of few food materials and cut it into smaller pieces to make the easy digestion process. So there are some other organs which helps or contribute to digestion process like teeth, tongue, etc. Now the another most important part of the human digestive system is esophagus. This is a muscular tube that connects the pharynx to the upper section of the gastrointestinal tract, which helps in transportation of swallowed food along with its length. The another most important part is stomach. Stomach is also called the muscular bag and situated in the along towards the left side of the abdominal cavity, beneath the diaphragm, etc. The another most important topic in this chapter is respiratory system. As we all know that respiration is the process of intaking of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide. This process is known as respiration. So respiratory system help us to complete our respiration process. Now I would like to tell you the most important part of the respiratory system is lungs. Lungs are the chief centers of the respirations in humans and animals and all the living organisms and other vertebrates. They are located in the thoracic gland or cavity just near backbone and either side of the heart. Another most important part in the respiration system is nose. The nose possesses a couple of exterior nostrils which are divided by a framework of the cartilaginous structure termed as the septum. The another most important part is larynx. The two cartilage cords lay the framework for the larynx. They are divided at the point of joining the pharynx and trachea. There are also most important parts in the human respiratory system. So we can divide or we can also differentiate the differences between respiratory system, digestive system, life processes, etc. This is the whole concept of the chapter 1 class 10 biology. Thank you.